The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor.
Open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 9:45 p.m. At 7:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 32 nautical miles west of McHenry to 12 nautical miles west of Aurora to 19 nautical miles west of Joliet, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts in excess of 65 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Severe thunderstorms will be near Monroe Harbor, Montrose Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Diversey Harbor, Dusable Harbor, Belmont Harbor, and Burnham Harbor around 8:35 p.m. Harrison Beaver, Crib, Calumet Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, and 59th Street Marine around 8:40 p.m. Indiana Harbor and Hammond Marine around 8:45 p.m. Winthrop Harbor around 8:50 p.m. Burns Harbor and Marina Shores at Dune Harbor around 9 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois, northwestern Indiana, and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Pentwater, Michigan north.